So this is how you can turn on your camera on OME TV for iPhone. It's actually quite easy. You're gonna want to go to settings. And to prove this works, as you can see, mine was turned on in my OME TV. Now, how do we do this? Well, simply scroll down at the very bottom until you find apps. Once you're here, you're gonna want to look for Omegle or OME TV, which is of course at the O section. So simply tap on OME TV and it's right here. So as you can see, my microphone and camera are turned on. So make sure that you turn these on so that these work. Of course, if you turn them off, they're not gonna work and your phone is not gonna allow OME TV to use them. So maybe this is the problem that you're facing and you're just gonna want to go to General, Apps, OME TV, and turn your camera on and your microphone on in order for OME TV to work. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. It really is that easy. Once you're done with this, just go to OME TV, and now you can use it for completely free, and your camera is now working. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.